Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to create automatic certificates with the help of AutoCAD. So for that first you require one Google form. So there are two ways to go in the Google form. First you can just Google it as Google form and click on it. Just go to Google form and you can see this window and you can create your Google form. Another way is you just logged in to your email and go to your drive. Okay, so in the drive there is the option of new, and in the option of more you have to select the Google Forms. So you will redirect to this window which is open with the Google form. So you have to create one Google form for the link of participation or something which you have to provide the certificate. So first give here the name, you can give the description, you can add your email ID, then you can add your name of participant, okay, which will be also required. Then you can add the organization name, which is in the form of short answer, which is also required. Then you can provide it as the how was the session and all questions, okay, and you can rate it as good, average and all, okay. So you can create that form according to your requirements. After creating the form you have to go in the responses and click on this create spreadsheet icon and click on create new spreadsheet. So the new spreadsheet will be opened. Okay, so you can see here the option of email ID, name, organization name, how was the session. If you have added another questions, then it will be reflected here. So now we have to create one certificate. Okay, so we have to install add-ons for that. So just click on add-ons, and now I have already installed AutoCAD. So I have seen that option of AutoCAD, but in your window you will be not able to see the AutoCAD. For that you have to click on get add-ons. After clicking on get add-ons you have to search for AutoCAD. You can see the option here. If you will be not able to see, you have to just search it as an AutoCAD and then you will see it. You have to just click on that three dots and click on install. Okay, after the installation of AutoCAD just close this window. Okay, and in the add-ons you can see the option of AutoCAD. Then you have to just click on the launch. Then you will be see it as an working. So you will be see this option loading. Okay, you will see this window. You have to create a new job. Now we have to name our job. So let's give it name as an AutoCAD certificate. Click on next. Now we have to choose one template. So for it we have to first create the template. We are going to create it in the Google Slides. So open the new window and type Google Slides. Go into option, first option, then go to Google Slides, and then we are going to create one blank presentation. So for that you will require one template of certificate. So you can download that template from the Google, or you can create it on your own. So I have created one template and I have saved it on my PC. So I am going to insert that image, upload from your computer, and then I am going to open this. Okay, I have created this one. You can create it according to your requirements. Okay, just see it. You can choose the theme of certificate as your requirement. So for me I don't need any theme. Okay, so up to here this is the process. Now we have to enter the name and the organization name of that participant. So for that we are going to insert one text box here, and in that text box I am just see this is the greater than, or you have to use that greater than or less than symbols, and I am going to write it the name in between that greater than or less than symbol. Or you have to just you can change the font as your need, and you can increase or decrease that font. You can place it in your proper okay, I have pasted it here. Okay, so the name of the participant will be reflected here. You can give the color to it. Okay, now another text box will include the from. Okay, so for example, Anushka from MIT Academy of Engineering. So I am inserted the from word here, and in now just choose one another uh, text box, and in this text box we have to add the name of that particular organization or college. You can, or organization. Okay, that's it. And you can choose the font like your choice, and okay, that's okay. You can adjust according to your need. So you have to just save the presentation. We will give it the name as an certificate autograph. Okay, just control as this template will be going to save. Now come here, and we have to choose a template. Okay, so we have to click on from the drive. So we are going to search this. Okay, I have created this certificate autocrat. Okay, so I'm going to click it and select it. Okay, so you can see here we have created that template, this template like certificate autocrat, and we have loaded it in our choose template. You can see the name, then click on the next. Okay, we are going to map the source data from our template. Now you can see here we have give the in between the greater than or less than symbol, we have given the name, and we have given the name of organization. So in the name we have to give the, enter your name, the name of participant will reflect into that place of name, and in the organization the name of organization will be reflected. Okay, so we have to just select it. It is no hard process. Now we have to give the file name for our certificate. Okay, so just you can see this sliding, so just click on it, and you have to enter your name wala option. Select, you have to select enter your name wala option, then control V and underscore. You can type the certificate. So the name of the participant and certificate, for example the name of participant is Anushka, so you can see the name Anushka certificate. Okay, and the type of certificate should be PDF. Okay, click on the next. Now we are going to choose the destination folders, so click on that from the drive option, and you can save it on your particular folder which will be containing that destination. Okay, so click on the next. There is no need to add dynamic folder, just click on the next. Okay, so no need to set the merge condition. Okay, it is the optional. Now we have to share the document as an email, so we have to click on this yes wala part. Okay, share, we are going to share the document as an PDF. Okay, now this is the email format to whom you have to send that certificate. So participant are going to enter their email ID. You can see in the here you can see the participant will going to enter the email here. So we just have to select that in CC we have to enter the name of that participant. So we are going to done it automatically, so you have to click that arrow, and in arrow we are going to click on enter your email address, and just we are going to control V, the email address will be going to paste there. Okay, type okay, subject we are going to certificate of participation. Okay, and we can add the message, congratulations, here is your certificate of participation. Okay, now we are going to click on the next. We have to run on the form trigger. In the option we have to choose the yes and click it on yes. Okay, so our project triggers are going to update. Click on the save. Okay, so our AutoCAD certificate is now saving. Okay, you can see here our existing job AutoCAD certificate. You have to just click on that run job wala button. Okay, click on that. You can see the running job AutoCAD certificate now. Okay, close that. Now you can see these the options. Okay, so our certification process is completed. So just we will just going to see that okay, is it working or not. You have to just click on that preview, and I'm going to, for now I am going to add my email ID. After that, if you share the link of Google form, all the participants will going to enter their personal email IDs and certificate will be received on their personal email ID. So I just enter my email ID. I'm going to enter my name Anushka, my organization name as an MIT. How was the session? Good. Okay, this and I'm going to submit it. Okay, your response has been recorded. Now I will go to my inbox and just refresh it. Just wait for 2-3 seconds. Okay, here you see okay, I got this email, certificate of participation. As you remembered, we have entered in the subject certification of participation, and congratulations, here is your certification of participation. Let's open it. Okay, now you can see here name Anushka from MIT Academy of Engineering. Okay, so our certificate is now got to on our email ID. So that's about how to generate certificate with the help of AutoCAD. Thank you.